Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use dual apps on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro, now you want to use dual apps on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps, and you will get the app clone option here. Just tap on it, and here you will get some apps which clone you can make. Here's the Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and etc. You just have to select the app for which you want to make a clone or dual app. And I'm going to select Facebook, so you just have to enable this, and after that here you can see the clone app has been enabled. Now go back, and here you will get dual apps or clone apps are the same. Here's the original Facebook app and here's the clone app. For you will get a dot for the information that this is a clone app. You can easily remove it or uninstall it if you want, but in this way you can easily make clones of different apps. That's how you can easily use dual apps on Vivo X200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.